Hello everyone, welcome to HabibPro, and today we're just going to create this CSS animated button. If you want to create this button, you just need to know CSS and simple HTML. So this is a markup, and I'm just adding those style sheets for our design purpose. One of them are main CSS file, and another one is Font Awesome 4.7, and another one is Google Font, the Raleigh font. If you want to use them, then you can use it. Otherwise, your button will work fine, no problem with that. So you just need to mark up something like this to create a button, and you can use a Font Awesome icon to add the download icon. Okay, so simple enough. We just need to create our button. So let's start our styling. So HP_PTN2. So this is our class, and let's say position relative, display inline block, padding 15 and 25 pixel, top bottom and left right. Okay, so text decoration none, a random color, you can choose any one of them, flat color, font size 20 pixel. Okay, so it looks like this, and now we need to add more. Okay, so we are going to add before pseudo class, and we have to write the content property to make it visible. And now let's set position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, and let's say height 100%, and width 100%. Border top 1 pixel to make it visible line, and border button. Okay, so let's copy it and just change the name of the property. Okay, so this is it. We just got the whole thing, but not in centered, so we need to transform translate -50% x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so -50% and -50%. Okay, so let's check it out. Now it is in the center, and we need to make left and right border. So let's copy the whole thing and paste it out, and take another pseudo class as after, and just change the name of the property, border right and border left. Okay, simple enough. So we can see it look like border everywhere. So we just need to position it in right position and make it animated through when we hover the button. Let's calculate the width of after, -15 pixel, and it's working fine in left and right. And we just need to do the same thing in before, but we're not going to calculate width anymore. We're just going to calculate the height, -15 pixel, and it's also working fine. So let's say when we hover our pseudo class or our button, then we're going to get animated button. Okay, so how we can get it? Let's write some property. Now it's not animating because we didn't set any transition property here. So we just need to add a transition property to see the visibility of the animation. So now we're just adding the transition right now. Okay, so transition 0.4 second is, and now we can see how it works. Okay, so it's working fine. And now we get our button here. If you like this video, hit the like button, or if you want to download the button, then you can just follow or click the link in the description below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.